Hi guys, so basically I'm just getting ready to go to a wedding party right now because I missed the wedding. So and basically I just got to do my makeup real quick, like so quick. So I just thought, you know what, let me just quickly record it. So first off, I'm just going to start off by priming my face, and I'm using the MAC Strobe cream. It's just like, oh, sugar dumpling. It's just really good. Oh, my hands are so dry. Jesus Christ, I'm so sorry. Excuse me, that is embarrassing. Oh, my hands are dry. YOLO. Sorry, man. Yeah, I just really love this primer because it's a gold illuminator, so it's really pretty to wear on its own. I'm being so scatty today, like I'm actually, oh my eyes, yeah, excuse me, like I don't really sleep that often, I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah, my eye bags are on blast right now. Ciao. So now to fill in my brows, I'm just gonna use a MAC eyeshadow palette. Yeah, it's actually an eyeshadow palette, but I'm gonna use it for my eyebrows. There's just like a really cool brown eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna use that on my brows. Like, I think when you got blonde, it's nice when you have full toned makeup, like not warm. So I want to fill in my brows quite natural, so this is quite like an ashy kind of colour. It's not ashy, but it's ashy, you know what I'm saying? It's not ashy, but it's ashy. It's ashy, but it's not dry. And just fill in the arch. I actually need to get my eyebrows done, and I was supposed to get them done today. I was supposed to get them done yesterday, the day before, but I've just been so busy. I literally haven't got the time in the day, so I just had to do a quick pluck. I tried to not pluck them. So now, oh, I'm not even talking through. So now I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which I really love. Like, I really love this concealer. It's just amazing. Like, it's just so amazing. The coverage is just great. I've been using this like under my eyebrows and under my eyes. So I've been doing the most with this, and it's cheap, it's affordable. It just makes too much sense. Like, you really can't go wrong with this concealer. And I don't want to get makeup on the scar. I'm gonna get my concealer brush and just blend out the concealer on my eyebrows. Right now, under my eyes, I actually have foundation under my eyes. Boom, that's that. So now my eyebrows are like filled in. So now I'm going to be using a foundation by Lancôme. To be honest, I don't really, the foundation's doable. It's bearable. It's good for right now. It was darker than me. It still is like darker. But it suits me more now, like in the summer, because I've tanned a whole lot, so it suits me a lot now. So, and I'm just using it because I've run out of my YSL, and I haven't had time to go get a new one, but I need to buff out that foundation. Now, to be honest, like, you shouldn't put a lot of foundation on in the summer because it just looks so greasy. So really, if you find that you can wear powder foundation, then you should. I'm gonna go back in straight with the Maybelline, and I'm just gonna put that under my eye. My lashes are done by Lashes by Lee, in case you didn't know. She is so sick at doing lashes, like, oh my god. Just can't go wrong. Just really can't go wrong. I'm a bit extra. Well, I'm not a bit. Okay, I'm being extra with the concealer under my eyes tonight because I am going out to Porto. So I just wanted a bit of, you know. So now I'm gonna get my dirty beauty blender. It's actually really dirty and I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed. And I'm taking my Badescu skincare, established 1968. Oh. Yes, I'm taking my Mario spray. Spray the shit out of this beauty blender, or use water. That is like slightly setting on my face before I blend it out. I'm just gonna get this Banana Dreams powder. This is a really cheap setting powder, and I need to get more of it. I never really used it until I ran out a couple of times of my other makeup, and then I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna have to use it. And it's actually really good. I actually like it now. It's down to your own skills. When you learn and you like improve like with makeup, you start learning how to use products a bit better. Sometimes it's just the way we use the product. Then I'm just gonna get my big brush and just quickly set straight away. I don't know why I do this. I just feel like the quicker the better. So I just do it one by one. I like to set my concealer straight away. Oh my god, I hate getting the shitty powder out, mate. It just takes so long. So now while my makeup is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and start contouring. To do that, I'm gonna use my FAB palette, which is broken, like everything else. No, I'm joking. I actually have a fresh one somewhere that I got the other day, but I just haven't had the time to open it. So I'm gonna luckily enough, all the colors that I do use stayed in the pan, so I'm gonna use the color Chestnut. I just love this palette, like broken or not broken, it's amazing. And I'm not gonna cream contour my face today, because I just feel like with this blonde hair I don't really want to do very harsh makeup, so I'm just gonna lightly contour, even though it's still gonna be dramatic, obviously. But yeah, like I'm just so excited and interested, and I'm just so happy that like I've actually started this YouTube thing, and I hope that it turns out the way that I'm expecting. And even if it don't, like, I'm just glad I tried. I'm just glad I tried, you know what I mean? God loves a trier. And like, you know what? I would regret it so much more if I didn't than if I started it and, you know, didn't continue to pursue it. So yeah, soon I'm actually going to be recording a question and answer video, because I just think it'll be so funny. Like, but yeah, like I'm just so happy, like, and I just feel like in this day and age, yeah, we're so focused on what other people think. It's actually embarrassing. Like, I don't think that anyone should give a fuck about what anyone thinks about anything. Like, and it's took me a long time to... Oh, 1 second. So I just used this FAB blush palette, and I used these two colours. I used this orange, like a burnt orange. So I mixed all three of them blushes, and now I'm just applying on the apple on my cheeks. Moving forward, I feel like it's just very important to like believe in yourself in this day and age, and like just don't take advice from anyone, like unless if it's like people that you truly know have your best interest at heart, like your mum, your dad, family members. I'm not even talking about any friends. I don't care how long you've been friends with them for. Like, listen, don't take advice from nobody, and even your parents, don't even take advice from them, because really and truly, and we've all lived different lives. Like, you can't be brushing every single situation and experience with the same brush, because it don't work like that. Just because your experience was like that doesn't mean mine is going to be exactly the same. We're all different, we all have different emotions, and we all feel differently. So I feel like you should always do exactly what you feel you should do. Like, you should always do what your heart tells you to do, because that's what's important, your happiness, not anybody else. So just always do what you want to do, like just always. I wish I could like scream that at my younger self, like please don't care what other people think, like just always do you. I just feel like whatever makes you happy, do it. Nothing is good or bad. Like I seriously don't believe in good and bad. Like what's good for me may be bad for you, and what's bad for you may be good for me. So really and truly, there's no good or bad. It's just all perspective. It's all how you see it. So yeah, all you got is yourself, so just look after yourself. Like that's having a little chat with you guys. Right now I've just mixed 2 highlighters, and it's one from a sleek palette, a sleek contouring palette, and it's in the colour dark, and it's this middle colour. It's a really nice gold. I really love it. I really love it, but it is a bit too dark, like for me. Like I want it to shine more, so I use MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. This is like one of my favourites. I was scared of it at first when I first got this product because I thought it was a bit too much, but as time's gone on I've just got more extra, so you know. So now I've basically finished my makeup. I basically finished. Nice, soft, pretty, fresh. And now I'm about to hit that Mario again. Okay. So. I'm so excited! I'm so excited! Yep, that's done. That's done. Bon appetit. The lighting's not good and I feel so embarrassed, like I should come better than this. But you know what it is? I'm using the sunlight right now because I need to get lighting. I don't like the lighting that I have. So luckily guys, I already have my eyelashes done, so I don't need to stick any lashes on. But if you do have lashes to stick on, this is the time for it. So I'm just going to use this comb, and I'm just going to brush out these lashes. That's how I'm going to finish my look. I'm just going to wear some clear lip gloss. This is by Rimmel London and it's called Oh My Gloss. Yeah, so I'm just going to wear this. I love clear gloss, like it's just my go-to favourite. Like it's just beautiful. Love a clear gloss, like it's just so, it just makes so much sense. It goes with anything, looks good, looks natural, not too much, not too much. We're not trying to do too much at the wedding. What song is this? I'm the fattest joke. I don't even know this song. Shut up, Alexa. Shut up. Is she Alexa? I'm literally shouting at this bitch. Alexa, Alexa, turn off now. What the fuck, bitch, bro. So my makeup's done now. I'm now ready to just comb my hair a little bit. By the way, my hair, my beautiful locks. Okay, no, let me stop being a bitch. So this beautiful hair is from Mimi's hair. Yeah, I just love it. Like, this hair is just amazing. So yeah, I'm just about to put some more curls into this, get dressed, and I'm out. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's just a simple, calm little get ready with me. I hope that, you know, y'all like it. It's not too boring for y'all. But yeah, so just comment, like, subscribe, tell me what kind of videos that you want me to do, and yeah, I look forward to making some more soon. So yeah, take care of yourselves, look after yourselves, look after your peace of mind, honeys, and I'm gonna catch y'all soon. Bye.